Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Knowing Our Numbers. This is second question of its exercise 1.2. So the question says that Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? तो हमें यहाँ फर्स्टली गिवन है शेखर scored given as 6,980 runs and he want to complete, तो ये हमें गिवन है 10,000 runs. हमें फाइंड आउट करना है हाउ मेनी मोर रन्स डज ही नीड. तो रन्स नीड टू स्कोर मोर, तो ये जाएगा हमारा इनका डिफरेंस, तो ये जाएगा हमारा 10,000 माइनस 6,980, तो जाएगा हमारा 3,020 runs. So hence he need to score more 3,020 runs. That's our final answer. Thank you.